One day in a quiet laundry room, a sock rolled towards the backpack. Just for fun, it sneaked inside. "Let's go on an adventure," the sock whispered. I was just a sock, striped and bold, tired of drawers that felt too cold. I saw a backpack near the floor and snuck inside to explore some more. I'm the sock that ran away, riding in a backpack every day, through the lunchbox and the art class too. Nobody knew, just me and that shoe. Shh, don't tell the foot. I met a pencil and a glue stick pal, a giggly notebook and a sticker gal. We danced around when the bag was closed, until the zipper almost froze. 'Cause I'm the sock that ran away, playing in that backpack every day. Found a snack and bounced with glee. A cookie crumb became my trampoline. 'Cause I peeked out during show and tell, and slipped behind a paper bell. The backpack wiggled with surprise. "You're not a pencil," said a voice with wide eyes. Wait, is that a sock? They found me during cleanup time with glitter stuck to my cotton line, but no one got mad. They laughed instead and popped me on the teacher's head. Look, look, it's a sock hat. 'Cause I'm the sock that loved to roam, but backpacks felt just like home. From math to snacks, I saw it all, even bounced inside a rubber ball. So if your sock is missing too, check your bag, it might be true. We love to play and roll and sneak, just once a month or maybe each week. Don't worry, I'll be back for show and tell.